In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API key in HubSpot. If you're looking to integrate external services or develop applications that communicate with your HubSpot account, accessing an API key is a crucial step in establishing that connection. We're going to walk you through each step, ensuring that you can navigate HubSpot's interface with ease and confidence. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can see various features and options available. Now, direct your attention to the top of your screen. You'll notice a navigation bar running across the top with different icons. You're going to click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. This will take you to the Settings section where you can manage many aspects of your account. With the Settings menu now open, your next move is to find the API key settings. To do this, look over to the left sidebar menu. Here, you'll find a list of categories and options. You'll want to navigate to Integrations first. Once you've selected Integrations, you should see an option labeled API Key as a subcategory. Click on API Key to proceed to the next section. When you're on the API Key page, you'll have the opportunity to either view an existing API key or generate a new one if you're starting from scratch. If you already have an API key and it's visible, make sure to handle it securely as it's a sensitive piece of information. If you need a new API key, simply follow the on-screen prompts to generate one. Keep in mind the security implications and best practices of sharing your API key, ensuring it's used only by the intended applications. It's important to mention some significant considerations while dealing with API keys. First, you must have super admin permissions enabled on your HubSpot account in order to access and manage the API key. If you don't have these permissions, you'll need to contact someone on your team who does. Or if you manage your organization's account, make sure your role has the correct privileges. HubSpot recommends considering the use of private apps equipped with access tokens. These private apps offer a more robust and secure alternative, particularly for new integrations. They give you more granular control over the permissions granted to external applications. This is definitely something to consider if security and customization are priorities for you. Lastly, if you're handling development within a HubSpot developer account, there's a slightly different path. You'll find the Developer API key within the Apps tab of your developer account. This is where developers can build and test applications separate from your main HubSpot environment. By following these steps, you should now be well equipped to navigate the process of retrieving or creating your API key within HubSpot.